I'm back with Keith. He has two cars on the show field today, so now he's going to tell us all about his 2010.
So this is my 2010 Mustang GT with the 401A premium package. I did a 68 style tribute to the car because my favorite model year is the 68 Mustang. This car is mechanically 100% stock all the way down to the mufflers. So the only modification that's been done to this car is all visual, but it's all been done based off of the 68 Mustang. So this is an actual 68C stripe kit on the car that I bought through CJ Pony Parts. My buddy out of Hagerstown, Maryland, Stoneburner Customs, helped me make the quarter panel portion so that way it would work with the S197 car.
Fit with the different body shape.
With the different body shape. On the deck lid of the car, there's the trunk letters that are the stick-on style that I bought through CJ's that are measured based off of my actual 68 Mustang's trunk lid. Like I said, 100% stock. It's got 163,000 miles on it, and I daily drive it. And this car sits outside year-round.